Hello everyone, welcome to www.elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. Today is Thursday, June the 15th. The time is around 3 a.m. GMT. And today we're going to be looking at the chart of the DAX here. So we have the index currently rallying as an impulse. We ended with 3 here and with 4 completed at 15,629. You can see clearly the pullback is corrective. It's only a 3 years pullback, and now we have started the next leg higher. Now you can see the with 5 subdivision. Currently we have this 1 2 clearly in place. Now with 3 doesn't look complete here in the minor degree, so we should continue to see further upside in the DAX, and pullback in the meantime can continue to find support in 3711 and continues to extend higher. Now we should get a few more highs. We can technically get 3 more highs, so we can have 3 in the minuet degree and then 3 in the minute degree before we finish 5 of 5, right? Then from there we can get a bigger pullback. But if our focus merely is on the shorter cycle, then we can see the structure is looking incomplete. So if there is any pullback in the shorter cycle here, the pullback should continue to find support for more upside. Now if I zoom out to get a little bit more context on the larger degree time frame, so remember the position of the 3 and the 4 in the minor degree here. This is the same position in the 4-hour time frame. So this is the 1 and 2. So we have 2 options here in the 4-hour. So basically you can see even with this type of primary count, we are still looking to be missing with 5 so far, only 3 ways. Now the only time it doesn't go higher is if let's say if it does a flat, but of course you don't want to expect, or you don't want to forecast a flat, because that's against the trend, and most of the time it's going to be lower probability than just continue to forecast it with the trend, and in this case is higher, right? So we're looking for at least a 5 ways up from 4 here before we can consider the cycle completes from here, and then we can get a bigger pullback. Again, our focus is in the shorter cycle, so basically what we are seeing here is the cycle is incomplete, so we should continue to see more upside. Now in terms of the 4-hour time frame, now there could be a alternate in which this is not a 5 ways up. I mean, we could be finishing 1 here, 2 here. Now if that's the case, then the correction is not going to be a big correction. Once you finish this 5 ways up, the correction is only correcting this. Instead of correcting this entire rally, it's only going to be correcting this, and then once we correct this cycle, we rally again from here. So alternate is available, but that's in the long term, and we are not particularly interested in that. And what we are focusing on in the shorter cycle, which is basically to say that this cycle that is from June 1st is incomplete, and therefore we should continue to see further upside here in the shorter cycle. Okay, so if you want to get more updates on the DAX or any other indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.